Welcome to the brand new episode of Auto Tech Talk. In this episode, we are ready for the racetrack, ready to outperform, make our presence be felt with one of our fastest super performing SUV coupes in the world, the Lamborghini Urus. Only redesigned for optimum performance, the Urus has been given a lower end, more sharper lines, and its shark-inspired front improves its aerodynamics and as well reminds us of its dominance on the road. It's not just a super performing SUV, but what a super performing SUV coupe should be. While tracking down the history of Lambo, you'll be aware that the story did not commence now, but it's only a continuation of what they have started in the 80s with their LM002. The Urus is the reimagined successor of the LM002. The design of the Urus, under the direction of the German native designer Micha Burkhardt, have developed a memorable icon that has set new foundations for Lamborghini. The Urus will still be powered by the 4-liter V8 twin-turbo, but this time with 657 horsepower, which produces 16 horses more than the predecessor. The carbon fiber-inspired Italian muscular icon comes this time around even lighter. This is the Performante, but it does not come alone, but has its model below it, which is named the S model. The Performante rides on a different suspension and as well utilizes steel springs instead of the air springs, which makes it sit 0.8 inches lower, more traction and balance. The Performante comes running with 23-inch wheels. The 5,200 pound Performante, as heavy as it may sound, is still said to be lighter than the S model thanks to its carbon fiber body panels and removal of sound deadening materials. For the S model, one should expect to pay $230,000, and for the Performante, $264,671. The 2023 Urus models will be all-wheel drive and the engine will be married with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Car testers reveal that the 2023 Urus will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. So what we have next may not be such a good rival to the Urus, however both companies had same objectives. They are both offering high-end SUV coupes, but for different customers of course. So the Haval H6 GT is an amazing design that taps into contemporary markets. This is China's most luxurious brand model that has attracted many global regions. Many units of the Haval have been sold in South Africa since its introduction. The interior design looks very minimalistic and has very clean finishes. The rotary gear selector reminds us of the luxury approach towards the H6. On their 12.3-inch infotainment screen, one can control climate, heat up the seats and the steering wheel, and many features have been integrated inside on what is labeled as Haval's complicated menu screen. The digital cluster is 10.25 inches wide, where the driver can visualize the heads-up display. The center console consists of a wireless charging pad. For further connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available. What's disappointing though is the absence of the digital radio and the satellite navigation. The panoramic roof enhances the cabin's ambient. The H6 has generous legroom and headroom regardless of its slanted roof. On the infotainment screen, one can select their preferred drive modes. Some convenient features are lane keep assist and lane departure assist, adaptive cruise control with stop-go technology, driver fatigue monitoring, autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, front and rear parking sensors. Furthermore, the H6 is fitted with 7 airbags. Getting into performance specs, the figures are quite shocking, not so impressive for a novel brand trying to compete with existing giants of the market. The H6 comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine producing 150 kilowatts and 320 Newton meters of torque. The 4-wheel drive version of the H6 can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.5 seconds and the 2-wheel drive in 7.8 seconds. Fuel economy ratings: 31.36 miles per gallon / 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers for the 2-wheel drive and 28 miles per gallon / 8.4 liters per 100 kilometers for the 4-wheel drive. Price tag for the H6 GT is 816,000 Rand for the 4-wheel drive / $46,000 and 710,000 Rand / $40,000 for the 2-wheel drive. Thanks for watching. You gave me purpose. If you are new, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here only on Auto Tech Talk. Cheers, God bless.